Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. This is Shruti Kirti and today we are going to talk about Blue Nectar Serum. So before we start off with this amazing video about this product review, I'm gonna tell you what the brand Blue Nectar represents. It's a contemporary Ayurveda brand that has all the ingredients and the products that are 100% natural. So it keeps me thinking about it and experiencing about it because I have never tried something so natural and so amazing like Blue Nectar. Okay, so talking about this brand, it's a Blue Nectar sugar serum with vitamin C, face serum and high hyaluronic acid. So you have been listening about high hyaluronic acid recently. It's one of the most amazing ingredient that has a lot of key benefits: tightening your face, uplifting your face, helping your face to reduce all the blemishes, dark circles, the dark areas that needs proper attention. So it comes with this packaging. As you can see, the label is right above, it's here, and it says vitamin C face serum with high hyaluronic acid. It is quite a product, and if I talk about the packaging, it is 30 ml of the solution and it has 9 herb quotient. 9 herb basically are, if I talk about, is sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, olive oil. Olive oil is so natural to your skin and so useful for your skin. All that you see, the glow on my face, it's just the olive oil serum that I've also applied this serum around. It has almond oil, it has sesame oil, it has lemon oil, and it has amazing ingredient of high hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Vitamin E is actually very good for your skin because it readily provides that rejuvenation to your skin, and it also helps to get rid of all the dirt, gunk, and also helps in the healing process, in the cell growth and cellular mechanism of your face. Let's go directly into the product and let's apply it and see how it actually goes. Okay, so as you saw, I applied this serum directly over my skin, and I just had a face wash going on and a normal toner going on, and after that I just applied my serum over my face, and it feels so amazing. It has no artificial fragrance. It is not at all sticky to your skin. It actually goes into your surface of the skin. You just need to lightly massage it down, and it actually goes down deep into the layers of your skin. It actually feels really nice, and you could just sense that you have applied something totally natural to your face because you could actually feel that. I felt the olive oil content, the vitamin E content in my face, and if you can see the luxurious amount of the glow that my face has right now. You can always apply your makeup, your foundation or your concealer over it and you will see the difference. So always mix a very good serum with your foundation or your concealer and you will see the difference. The base would turn out to be flawless, and you would also feel the benefits of the serum that you have attached down below your foundation. So yeah, without wasting any further ado, you should get it right away and start using it from this day onwards, because Blue Nectar has been an amazing brand in launching such an amazing 100% natural products. That is it from my end. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time.